Hey there, I'm Claire. Today is day 16. Through this time of practice, I think you are now ready to learn one of the most valuable aspects of mindfulness practice: how to respond wisely when you are dealing with strong emotions. Strong emotions like fear, anxiety, anger, resentment, or shame and guilt can easily overwhelm us when they arise. Lost in the force of these feelings, we feed them with stories about why we feel this way, who might be to blame, what we should have done or will do, reacting in ways that we might later regret. The good news is that mindfulness is a powerful and effective way to work with such strong emotions. Okay, let's start today's meditation. Working with difficult emotions. As always, please take a seat with graciousness and dignity. Let your body settle and bring a kind attention to whatever is present. Fill your body with the half smile of kindness. Now, bring your attention back to the natural rhythm of the breath or body anchor. Continue with this relaxed and calming mindfulness. When your attention wanders, kindly bring the puppy back. Now, let's turn the quality of your careful attention to deliberately focus on strong and difficult emotions. Take a moment to remember a situation of difficulty in your life. It might be at work, or at home, or elsewhere. As you remember and picture this difficulty, let yourself remember how it feels when you're in it. Choose one of the difficult emotions that arise at this time. It might be fear or hurt, anger or frustration. Don't focus on the story about the situation, but drop down and sense the feeling in your body. Notice where it is, and let it be here for a time. Breathing to make space for it. You can name the emotion softly, allowing it space to be and to expand in the field of mindfulness. Now, add compassion. Don't judge the feeling or try to make it go away. Hold it with compassion for all the suffering connected with it. See how it responds to compassion. As you allow this strong feeling, imagine how many others are experiencing this same feeling across the world, and let your compassion grow to include them as well. And now, notice if there are other strong feelings around or underneath this initial emotion. Hold these too with the same spacious awareness, and gently allow the whole experience. Let compassion and mindfulness work their magic. And if in working with strong feelings, you get overwhelmed, ground yourself by simply going back to the breath or body anchor for a time. And then when you feel steady, try a little bit again. And now, let's incorporate this understanding in our core practice. Bring your attention back to your breath or body anchor. And when a strong body sensation or a strong emotion, especially a difficult one, pulls your attention from the anchor, let go of that focus and bring your mindful and compassionate awareness to the feeling or sensation, naming it softly as it moves and changes. After time, when it's diminished, or you are at ease with it, return to the breath or your anchor until another strong feeling or sensation arises. Let yourself be present and balanced with this breath or these feelings just as they are. You are now learning the art of mindfulness and the power of compassion with the full range of feelings and emotions. Continue this practice and use these tools wherever you are.